All right, so here are the convention center elevators at the JW Marriott here in Tampa. That one is, I think, is a service elevator, but... Oh, wait. Huh. Maybe we can ride it. Or maybe it's the same as one of the regular cars, but it just has a rear door. There are the escalators right here. This is a very nice hotel. It's Tampa's very first true luxury hotel.
Most of the hotels here just seem okay at best, honestly.
Yeah, like, you're not going to see any charming historic hotels here.
Definitely not, like you can in the southern tier.
Yeah.
In the Northeast.
Pretty much everything here is from the 90s or 2000s or 2010s.
Here we go.
Let's see what happens. I think this one just goes up to the hotel floors. Yep. Yeah, this one just goes up to the hotel floors. Here are the convention center cars. Six.
These are awesome.
Yeah, they are. Here we go. Oh. Now we're good. Alright, we'll end on 3, because that will actually, there's a crosswalk there. No, we were gonna go back up, but it's okay. Yeah, we can get off here. There are the escalators.
Yeah, that's really neat.
And there they go, and that'll be it.